Hey guys, if you're interested in a low carb, easy meal prep, please stay tuned.
You got fashion and style. I'm loving your smile and the way you get down.
Alright, this is what was bought. This is the $75 groceries. But we about to prep all of it. Alright, first we're gonna start with thawing our chicken. Alright, so I'm just starting off washing my hands. And we're about to thaw out the chicken in cold water, of course. And throughout the time I was prepping, I kept on checking on the water and emptying it and putting more cold water in there as well. So first off, I'm going to start prepping the zucchini. I try to have greens with my breakfast. So I picked zucchini for this week. And I'm going to do like some zucchini type spears. I'm going to roast them. Put some olive oil on there. I'm going to add some sea salt, some pepper, and some sazon complete. One of my favorite spicings, by the way. You have to get it if you don't have it. Oh yeah, I also added some paprika too. I forgot. I love paprika. I put it on almost everything. That's what the zucchini looks like before I throw it in the oven. I'm going to put it on 450 degrees. I was just showing y'all that it was still preheating. But I put it on 450 degrees. And I'm also going to have some squash for like a snack, just in case, like if I get hungry throughout the week and I just need something in my stomach. I'm going to roast some squash as well, and I threw it in there with the zucchini. And for the squash, I just added some olive oil, some salt, and some pepper. I kept it real simple. Real simple. For my snack, I'm going to have strawberries. And I bought 3 packs of strawberries because I munch on this all during the week. And it's like my sweet. And I've learned that if you prep your snacks, your veggies, your fruit ahead of time, y'all, it makes it so much easier to stick to your meal plan or your diet. Because for me, like, when I get home from work and I just want to snack and, I don't have anything prepped, I'm like, oh, I don't feel like doing that. Then it's so easy for me just to pick up those chips, or to pick up that candy. So, but if you already have your fruit prepped, you only have to do that. So as you saw, I was boiling some eggs to go with my breakfast and also some smoked turkey sausage. And I love spicy food, and I'm trying to stay away from pork, which I love having like beef or pork hot links. I was thinking, let me make my own spicy turkey sausage. And I've never seen that on the market, by the way. But with this, I just put some pepper on it, red pepper, and paprika. No salt needed. You just need the heat. And you know spicy food is good for you too. But I think I kind of OD'd on the red pepper, but it's okay because it came out really good. Even still. Zucchini's ready. Squash is ready. I just gotta cook the sausage and then I'm ready to plate up the breakfast. Looks so good, y'all. I don't know what angle this was. I do apologize. Now I'm starting to prep my chicken for my teriyaki chicken. I'm going to have, it's going to be for my lunch. I decided to do two lunches this week. Well, two different meats. I'm doing teriyaki chicken and oven baked fried wings or whatever. Well, there I'm just putting up the breakfast. My zucchini, the sausage, the egg, and I also added a cheese stick as well. Since I'm on a keto diet, you know, it's low carb, high fat, so cheese is perfect. Here's my chicken wings. They finished thawing. I literally hand drained each one of those wings. I squeezed the moisture out of those wings because I wanted them to be on the crispy side. And I seasoned it with seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, parsley, and I think I topped it off with a little bit of seasoned salt. And that was it. That's what the wings looked like, and they came out so good, y'all. All right, I've been neglecting my teriyaki chicken, so here we go. Added some olive oil, some pepper, some sea salt, and now we adding light soy sauce. Not regular, light, because soy sauce has tons of sodium in it. You don't need the regular. And some brown sugar. This is how I make my teriyaki chicken. I know some people put cornstarch in it and probably mirin or something like that, but I stick to the basics. And it's so good. So good. And the key to getting the perfect chicken, y'all, is just to keep letting it cook. You see all of that water or moisture, you want that to be gone. And I added some ginger paste in there as well, and I'm also going to add some minced garlic too. But yes, you see how it's getting sticky? That is what you want. That's where all the flavor is. If you take it out before then, it's not going to be right. But this is exactly what you want. And it tastes so good, y'all. It tastes so good. There, me tasting the chicken to see how it is. I add just a little bit more soy sauce. That lettuce from my salad. So now I'm prepping my dinner. I'm just gonna have salad because since I tend to have a heavy breakfast and lunch, when I get home, I'm not really hungry for a full dinner. So I just prep salad for the night. Because sometimes I don't even eat dinner, but I still want to have the option to have the salad. So I already chopped up my greens. I had a full head of romaine lettuce. It made 4 full containers. I had my cucumber, my tomato. Then I'm going to chop up some red onion. And top it off with the pepperoncini. I love pepperoncinis. I kind of OD'd on the red onion. I love me some onion. Oh, I also put some chia seeds on there as well. Forgot about that. You need your fiber. And you know, chia seeds, you can barely taste it, so. And I got some cooked shrimp from Kroger, so I'm just topping it off with that. Voila. Now on to the last thing, the green beans. And for the green beans, it's going to go with the teriyaki chicken and the wings. And I got frozen green beans from Kroger, massaging some olive oil. I usually cook these on the stove, but I've been lazy lately. I just top it off with some seasoned salt and some pepper and massage that in. Put some butter on it. Throw that bad boy into the oven. And I put the green beans on for 25-30 minutes and on 400. See the wings? They look all crispy. They look like they were fried. Now I'm just plating my lunch. I was so mad that teriyaki chicken only made 2 bowls, y'all. I believe I had 20 wings total. I ate 2, so each container had 6 wings. Topping the teriyaki chicken off with some sesame seeds and the wings with some Parmesan. Remember, low carb, high fat. Anything to put cheese. Now I'm just plating everything. It is now 4:30 at this point. I'm tired. I want to sit down. But nonetheless, if you like this video, y'all, please give it a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And thank you for watching. So, guys, I'm finally done prepping. It's a lot, recording and prepping. I feel like if I wasn't recording, I would have finished so much sooner. But I was trying to get all these different angles and stuff like that. But I'm finished. I cleaned up the kitchen, and it is now, what time is it? $4:44. I don't remember when I started, but I'm put the time when I started everything. I'm tired, but I'm gonna try to edit this vlog, this video. I think I'm gonna just I'm gonna do the videos. I'm gonna split everything down to 2 videos, because if I don't, it'll be a very long video, like really long. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be chilling in the bed for the rest of the day. Got my sparkling water and my green beans. That's what I'm just gonna snack on for the rest of the day. And I have watermelon, so if I get a sweet tooth, I'm gonna snack on the watermelon. But yeah, I hope you all like this video. And yeah, if you do, don't forget to comment, like, and please subscribe. Bye. Bye.